Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. In this session, we will talk about one more operator called as size of operator. One more operator called as size of operator. Sir, is it an operator? Yes, it is an operator. If I am discussing it inside the topic operator, for sure it is an operator. Sir, in which category? It is a unary operator. Sir, that means it require only one operand, only one argument, whatever you wanted to understand. Okay, sir. Sir, what does it return? Sir, okay, it will take one operand. What does it return? Sir, it will return the number of bytes your operand occupies in memory. That means, sir, as the name signifies, it says what is the size of the input you are giving to me. That means if you are giving some input to Sizeof, what does it is doing? Sir, it is returning the size of that particular input you are giving to this operator in bytes. So always remember, sir, the return value is an integer. Why? Because it is returning how many number of bytes the input or the operand is taking inside memory. So can't it be possible that half a byte? No, sir. It will return only an integer. Why? Because it is returning the number of byte. That means it will return a number or it will return an integer. So please keep these things clear. Sir, it will return an integer. Okay. Sir, what could be the possible operand? What could be the possible operand to Sizeof? Sir, we can give it a variable. We can give it an expression. Sizeof can also take a data type. Sizeof can also take some constant. That means Sizeof can take variable, expression, data type and constant. Okay. Let us try to elaborate it. Sir, if I'll say void main int a char b printf. Sir. Inside memory, some variable a will be created and some variable b is created. Let us suppose you are working on such a configuration that the size of an integer is 4 byte and the size of a character is 1 byte. Sir, the size of character is always 1 byte. Yeah, of course, true. Now, I wanted to use Sizeof operator to know what is the size of this variable a and what is the size of this variable b. Okay, sir. Then how can I ask, sir, printf? Directly you can use Sizeof variable a. See, try to understand. Sir, what does it return? It will return the size of variable a. What is the size of variable a? 4. What is 4? What type of data is 4? Sir, integer. That's why what format do I need to print here? Sir, you need to write the format %d. Why? Because what does Sizeof return? Sizeof return are integer. Later on in the last chapter, I will discuss Sizeof again. That that what is the return type exactly, unsigned int or int. But as of now, try to understand what does size of operator return. It return an integer value. Okay, sir. Done, sir. Similarly, if I want to know what is the size of variable b, what should I do? Sir, printf %d size of b. Okay, done. So what is the output? 4, and for this printf 1. First thing, sir. Let me again repeat everything for you. Size of, sir, it is a operator. And the good thing, sir, it is also a predefined function. It is a standard predefined function, just like printf, just like scanf, it is also a predefined function. Sir, it is also an operator, it is also a function. Sir, is it a keyword also? Yes, it is a keyword. This is the good thing. Function as well as operator. This is the only function which is also an operator. This is the only operator which is also a function. So, Sizeof is an operator. Okay. Sir, it is unary operator. Sir, what could be the possible input to Sizeof? Sir, can we give it a variable? Yes. Sir, can we give it a constant? Yes. Sir, can we give it an expression? Of course, yes. Sir, can we give it a data type? Yes, sir. Let us suppose we are working on such a compiler that integer takes 4 bytes, short take 2 bytes, character take 1 byte, long int take 8 bytes. Let us assume. Then how could I print how much memory these data type will take? Sir, void main printf integer data type takes %d bytes. Sir, just look at this printf. Whatever we write in double quotes, it will be printed as it is on the monitor. Integer data type take. Sir, what we wanted to print? We wanted to print an integer value. See. I already told you that size of operator will be discussed again in the last chapter. There, I will tell you what does the exact return type, what is the exact return type of size of operator. As of now, think it like that way. It is returning an integer. Why I am not discussing it here? Because right now you all are in beginning phase. I don't want to confuse you. Sir, integer data type take %d bytes. What I need to print it here? Sir, the number of bytes. What does size of operator return? The number of bytes. That means, sir, from where we need to take the value? Sir, we need to take the value by size of operator. Sir, can I write something like this? Of course, because sir, Sizeof can also take data type as input. Sizeof can also take data type as input. Sir, in a similar manner, can we write something like this? That printf character data type take %d bytes. Yes, sir. And this time I am asking, what is the size of char? Sir, again, Sizeof operator is taking operand as a data type. Sir, in a similar manner, we can also write something like this, that printf long integer data type take %d bytes, and this time I will provide long int. Beautiful operator. Sir, how things are working? Sir, if the first printf is running, then integer data type printed as it is, take, by looking at %d, compiler gets to know some integer values to be printed, but from where to collect this value after comma. That means size of int will return, what is the size of integer? 4. And see, bytes will be printed as it is. So that's how you can print something like this. So Sizeof can take data type also. Even you can write float, you can write long int, anything. You can write double. Okay, sir. So, sir, variable can be there, data type can be there. Sir. If I ask you, what is this? What type of data is this? Sir, it is an integer data type. Okay. Then can I ask Sizeof, Sizeof, what is the size of 2? What is the size of 2? Sir, will it tell you what is the size? Yes, sir, of course. You said it can also take a constant. Okay, sir. But try to think. Sir, this is a constant. That means size of will always take a variable. No, sir. It can take a constant. Okay, perfectly okay. Sir. Sizeof is working at compile time or at runtime? Sizeof is working at compile time or at runtime? Sir, it is only working at compile time. That means no memory is allocated. See. Even if no memory is allocated, Sizeof will work. Why? Because everything is happening at compile time. Try to understand things. Sir, what is the output of something like this? %d size of 2. Sir, it is same as, it will print the same output as you write size of int. And this will also give the same output if you write printf %d size of variable a. Sir, same output. Try to understand. Sir, can we give a constant? Yes, sir. Sir, can we give a data type? Yes, sir. Sir, can we give it a variable? Yes, sir. Everything is working. Yes, of course. And the output of all of them is 444. Done, sir. Sir, is it valid to write something like this? %d, size of. Yes, sir. See, what is this? Sir, a single character. I will discuss it later on. Don't worry about it now. Done, sir. That means constant is okay, data type is okay, variable is okay. Sir. Can we do something like this? Printf %d, size of 2 plus 2. Just pause the video and think a little bit. Because if you are saying yes, please be ready for my next question. Sir, yes. But how it is evaluating? How it is going to evaluate? See, it is never going to perform anything. Sizeof is never going to find or evaluate what is 2 plus 2. No, of course it is not. Of course it is not. Sir, you told us that the operator result of operator depends upon the behavior of the operands. I hope everyone who is watching this video know this concept. Yes, sir. If I said int plus int, what is the output? Int. If I say int plus float, what is the output? Sir, float. If I'll say float, okay, first argument is float and second argument is int, again it is float. Sir, if both the arguments are float, sir, again it will give float. How we know this? Sir, you told us. But for sure, compiler know this also. Yes, sir. That means think like compiler. What is this? Int. What is this? Int. What will be the result of int and int? Int. So this statement is as same as percentage d size of integer. So that means if this is okay, this must be okay. But the important thing to be note down is, sir, Sizeof is never going to evaluate this. Whatever you provided, whether it is an expression, it is a long expression, Sizeof is never going to evaluate it. Sir, if this is okay, that means something like this is also okay. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c, let us suppose if I ask you printf percentage d comma size of a plus b. Yes, sir. Of course it is okay. Of course it is okay. Actually, you are saying size of 10 plus 20. If this is okay, this must be okay. That means you are saying size of int and int, that is int. Sir, is this okay? Yes, of course it is okay. That means every statement written over here is perfectly okay. Is perfectly okay. Sir. Okay, sir. Sir, done. Try to understand, sir. If I write something like this, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, comma c, hash include stdio.h, and void main. Be ready with pen and paper. Sir, what is the output of this code? What is the output of this code? Printf percentage d comma size of int. Sir, easy. We can easily handle this. Printf percentage d size of. Okay, sir. Printf percentage d. What is the value of c? Please pause the video and try to find out the output of this code. Try to find out the output of this code. You will get to know many new things. Sir. Okay, this is okay. If integer take 4 bytes, the output of this is 4. Sir, what we are saying? We are saying c equal to a plus b. C equal to a plus b. That means what is the value that goes inside c? Sir, a and b are nothing but 10 and 20. If we are saying c equal to a plus b, can I say the value of c is 30? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And size of c equal to a plus b is as same as size of c. No, sir. This is all wrong. This is all wrong. First thing to be note down is, sir, size of never ever evaluate this expression. Then sir, how it is going to evaluate? Think like compiler. Sir, A is equal to A plus C equal to A plus B. This is an assignment statement. Sir, assignment statement, first RHS value is calculated. Okay. Although, sir, what is this? Int. What is this? Int. Int plus int. Are we assigning an integer value to integer variable? Yes, sir. That means, sir, what is the value that goes inside C? Does not matter. We only need to think what is the type of C. Sir, the type of C is int. Even if I ask you C equal to 10.2 plus 7.3. Okay, float plus float will be calculated as 19.5. But just because C is an integer, what is the value that goes inside C? Sir, 19. So basically what we are asking, what is the size of C? Done, sir. Remember this part that C didn't get this value 30. So what is the output of third line? Sir, garbage value. C still has a garbage value. That's the beautiful concept. That's a beautiful concept. Sir, let us try to focus more. Sir, void main int I is equal to 10, comma y, printf percentage d, comma size of plus I. Printf percentage d value of I. The most expected output is, sir, plus I, that means I will be incremented to 11. And what is the size of 11? 4, that is integer. But what is the value of I? Sir, it becomes 11. No. Sir. Will Sizeof operator evaluate it? Will Sizeof operator evaluate the expression provided to it? No, sir. That means this modify operator is never ever going to be performed. That means this code is as same as printf percentage d, comma size of I, and then printf percentage d, comma I. So tell me, sir, size of I, the data type of I is int, and if integer take 4 bytes, the output is 4. What is the value of I? Still it is 10. That is the output of this code is 4 and 10. So good points over here is Sizeof. Sir, with Sizeof, can I give it int? Yes. Can I give it char? Can I give it float? Can I give it long int? Can I give it short? Sir, any data type. Okay, sir. Sir, can I give it a variable? Yes, sir. Can I give it an expression like 2 plus 3 or A plus B if A and B are variable? Yes, sir, of course. Can I give it a constant like 2? Of course, sir. Try to understand. Done, sir. Okay. So Sizeof, and the most important thing, it is a unary operator. Again, I am repeating, I am going to cover Sizeof in the last chapter. Once you get an expert in C programming language, after watching all these videos, I will again discuss Sizeof operator, that what is the exact return type. As of now, we know, sir, it is returning number of byte, which is an integer value. But in last chapter, I will again discuss this particular operator, that whether it is returning integer, positive integer, negative integer, 0, what it could be. So don't think that I did a mistake. I intentionally told you that Sizeof return the number of bytes. So that's all for this session. Bye bye. Take care.